Now let's see position of metals, non-metals and metalloids. You know that total modern periodic table contains total 18 elements. So some of them to be confirmed, but there is total 118 elements. 118 elements. Some of elements to be confirmed still. So in them, some are metals, some are metalloids, some are non-metals. Let's see about these elements which are metals, non-metals and metalloids. Most of the elements in the periodic table are almost 3/4. Most of the elements of the periodic table are metals. Most of the elements, that means 3/4 of the elements in the total periodic table, 3/4 of the elements are metals. Okay, so what are metals? Elements of S block, elements of S block, comma D block, complete total elements of S block, D block and F block, and some elements of P block or metals. So which are metals in the periodic table? All the elements of S block, D block, F block and some elements of P block are metals. So that means only P block consists of metals and other types of elements. Remaining all blocks, S block, P block, S block, D block, F block, they contain only metals. Okay, where the non-metals are? Non-metals are only in P block, non-metals and semi-metals. Semi-metals are metalloids. Non-metals and semi-metals. Semi-metals is the other name for metalloids. Metalloids are present in, they are present in only P block. So P block contains all the types of elements, metals and non-metals, semi-metals. So based on that a question will be asked, which of the following block contains metals and non-metals, semi-metals. So you have to select P block. Okay, S, D and F blocks contain completely metals. Got it? So which are non-metals? Which are non-metals and semi-metals? Let's see. You know, among the non-metals, some non-metals exist in diatomic state, some exist in solid state, some exist in gaseous state also. Okay, see which are in solid state, liquid state, gaseous state. Okay, so let's see some elements. In the overall periodic table, till now there are 11 gases, 11 gaseous elements. You know, the first period, all elements gases. The last group, all elements gases. Remember this point. What are the elements present in first period? Helium and hydrogen. Both are gases. What are the elements present in the last group? Last group means group 18. In group 18, total elements are gases. See, helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. And if you go to 118th element, 118 atomic number, octium. You know, that also a gas. After when it is discovered, it will be a gas because it is present in the same group, noble gases. So that should be a gas. Okay, so which group contains all gases? 18th group or 0 group. Which period contains all gases? First period. So First period has two specific properties. What are those? It is the shortest period. It is the period which contains the least number of elements. First period is the shortest period. That means which contains least number of elements, only 2 elements. So that is the importance of first period. One more property is, it is the period that contains all gases. Hydrogen is a gas, helium is also a gas. See, other periods, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, they contain gases, solids, liquids. Some contain liquids also. Some contain gases also. Okay? So in that way, first period is the only period which contains gases. It is the only period which contains the least number of elements. 18th group is the only group that contains gaseous elements. Got it? Now, among the elements, gaseous elements are gaseous elements. Which are gaseous elements? In this hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, chlorine, okay, hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, chlorine, helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. Total how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So total 11 gaseous elements in the periodic table. Okay. Of course, if 118 element exists, then total 12. But it is not confirmed still. Element 118 to be confirmed. So if it is confirmed, then there would be total 12 gaseous elements. What are liquid elements in the periodic table? Liquid elements. Here liquid elements are cesium, francium, mercury, okay, gallium, bromine. Cesium, francium, mercury, okay, gallium, bromine. You know, these mercury, even at room temperature also it is a liquid. Mercury, these are liquids at room temperature, even at room temperature.